My name is Elena Dipon. I am the CEO of LED Trucking. We're an asset-based company. We run two offices, one from Sacramento, California, and the other one from Greenville area, South Carolina. I like Alvys because they're always on top of the game.
We work through a lot of the processes and see how we can implement and make things quicker. One of the main ways that we've been able to do that is through the AI rate confirmation upload feature. We're saving actually 20 hours a week by just using the AI rate confirmation upload feature. So we're able to get our drivers that rate confirmation and out on the road as quick as possible and making those miles. One of our favorite features is actually the driver app, where we're able to directly send the driver all the information that they need. It saves us time, it saves them time. One of the not as well-known features of the driver app is the fact that the loads are able to come in directly from the Alvys system, which means making sure that the loads are the amount that they agreed to, they're getting it in the right format, and they're able to have all the information on hand. So there's no chance of any scammy loads going on or them not being paid for it.
I'm a very visual person, and I do enjoy the dispatch planner where I can see all my trucks and understand where there's gaps and who I can book and make for the driver to make more miles. Not only does it save time and money, but it also helps you make more money by finding the gaps in the business where you can fill in with work. We live in an age of technology and AI, so I like the fact that the team is always on board of what's going on, never behind.
Alvys makes our life easier because we're able to manage everything from one location, whether it is our dispatchers or our drivers, all our communications in one spot. Everything is there. Any reports you need to run, it's all in one spot. You don't need to access 4 or 5 different systems. And they're constantly growing and upgrading their integrations, so there's a lot of stuff that is coming in that you might not get anywhere else.